167 South at Hodges Road. It's going to be a black Challenger, Texas, William Sam George 3656. William Sam George 3656. How's it going, man? You know how fast you were going? You were. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Interesting. For what? Yes, sir. County on 1037.
We're not sure what that means. What you got?
I'm in pursuit. 167 northbound El Dorado.
Yeah, well, I'm here at Mount Union. What's your point? Coming into town, trying to get a better description of this location.
Passing Highway 7, he's in the southbound lane, he's going down the road. Coming up the hill right to Holmes. TBI, all the way to Holmes. He's in the ditch.
We're going to be stopped. We're going to be here market.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out from the driver's side! 23 warning, looks like the driver's bailed. I got the passenger at gunpoint. Crawl out now! Crawl out now! Hey, the driver bailed. It's a black male, white beater. Crawl out. Where'd he go?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know if I'm right here?
Come here. Walk. 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 Turn around. Hands on the car. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
I got the car. Got it.
It's going to be a black man on a white tank top.
Put your hands on the fucking car right now. Where did he run to?
How am I supposed to know? Like, I can
You're the passenger. Put your hands on the car.
Okay, but I'm not driving. How the fuck am I supposed to know where he's running? Y'all should be going to go look for him.
Why'd he run?
I don't know.
23 warning. I got one female 1015. It's going to be the passenger. We're going to start at 1016. He dragged me down the road a little bit. Just sit.
There was something in here. So.
Man, he dragged me down the road.
He drug you down the road?
Yeah, when he went to jump back in, I jumped in after him. He dropped it, and he dragged me down the road. I lost my hat and everything.
4 to 23.
Go ahead.
Hey, y'all start right.
You 10-4.
White tank top.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a bruised up leg. He dragged me down the road when he went to jump back into the car. I'll get checked out by EMS. I lost a couple of my things back where I stopped him out of initially.
10-4. I'm going to out to you. You as the driver, built on foot.
10-4. It's gonna be a black male, white wife beater, blue jean shorts.
24. Somebody check the first
10-4.
I got city and county here with me.
10-4. Were you able to identify the driver? Or did he take off before you got to the window?
I had his license. I think I dropped it back there when he went to jump back in the car.
Okay. 10-4.
Being 4 to 20, we have vehicle information. Holmes.
vehicle, I believe, is out of Texas.
Hey, can you let them know to let City know to be looking for him?
Yeah, City's here with us. They're here. I got City out.
Rip the pants.
Bailed before I think he got out. I think the City did when he got out. Trying to get turned around a little bit.
He drove me down the road. Yeah.
If you haven't already, contact the PD in the county, see if anybody's got a drone. See if we can locate that subject that fled on foot.
Would you, like, traffic?
Yeah.
And then he just...
Ran up on me at 100, and when I went to pull him out of the car, he jumped back in, and so I went in after him. And he drove me down the road. I got back up, and we 140 right all the way down here.
I don't know if either one of them have a canine out.
Do we have a K9 out?
We don't have a K9.
23 to 4. They don't have a K9.
The PD doesn't have a canine either.
That's negative. F23-1, go ahead and clear the net. Passenger 15. Everybody else is looking for the driver at this time. Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, that's mine. Son of a gun drug me.